guys, welcome back to my channel Indolitama. Now I will show you and unboxing my first and new Ultra Boost. The name is Ultra Boost 4.0 Grey Green Lime. I mean, okay, this is the shoes. This is the boost is 4.0 is released 2 years ago, and this is nice. The green one, the cats, I mean, it's so flexible. This is more flexible than Ultra Boost 2.0, and I like Ultra Boost too because when I use the Ultra Boost, I feel very comfortable because there is a boost and there is a torsion system in the bottom of the shoes. I'm buying in Indonesia. The price is 2,008,000 rupiah in Tangerang, Indonesia. And this is discount. The price is deal, and this is worth it to buy because it's comfortable and good for me. And this is also more comfortable than Nike Air Jordan. And this is the Adidas logos, and this is the rope. The material is different from Nike Air Jordan. This Ultra Boost materials for 4.0 like maybe similar like Easy Static Blacks, Easy V2 or any others. The same materials as Easy. And the material is more comfortable than Nike Air Jordan, but this is good. And this is the wait. And this is the inside. There is a I don't know what its name. There is a green one inside the shoes, and this make comfortable too when you use the shoes. Okay, let's see. And this size is 45. This is my size. I'm happy. I have Ultra Boost because Ultra Boost size 45 is so rare, but Nike Air Jordan size 45 is a lot. So I'm very happy to get Nike Air Jordan. I mean to get Ultra Boost size 45. Okay, I will tell you this Ultra Boost I'm about is made from China, not America or California or what. Okay. Okay guys, this is the outfit when I use the Ultra Boost 4.0 Green Lime. This is very comfortable, and this shoes function is for walking or running, and this is very nice. I like the green cat. It is the most comfortable shoes I have, and it's good. Alright guys, so that's it. The review of Ultra Boost 4.0 Green Lime. I hope you enjoy my video. Okay, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment my video, guys. Goodbye.